What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In this video I have a rasp, old rusty rasp file from it says Huggins Oriole on it. I got it from a family member up north, and we're gonna make a knife out of it. I already got the dimensions of what I'm gonna be working with. I'm gonna be doing about 9 inches of file, this part right here, about 4 inches of handle, about 4 to 4.5 inches of blade. Let's see what we can do. I got the design picked out for it's going to be a reverse Tonto with the angled handle at the back. Should be easy. A little stock removal. Cut it to shape. Slap a handle on it. Make a knife. So I got our design here. And I went ahead and ground down the file teeth a little bit. They're not perfectly flat, but they're flat enough I can work with it. Slap a scale on. I'm gonna leave some of the file teeth there, file cuts, for aesthetic reasons. And the teeth on top of the spine work for a good grip, thumb grip, so I'm going to leave those as well. I've already done some handle work with our black micarta. I just gotta shape it a little bit more, throw it in for a clench, put our final edge on it, and we'll have a finished blade. Out of the clench. That's pretty good. I'm gonna throw it in for tempering. So we're putting the final touches, the final sharpening on our rasp file knife here. And then we'll do a sharpness test after that. This might be the sharpest blade I've ever made. So here it is, guys, the end result of our farriers rasp knife. Did a cool design, reverse tanto. Came out really cool. Overall, I'm happy with it. The rasp was really fun to work with. I'm gonna be doing more with these. And this thing is wicked sharp.